Maddie, I think that baby brother wants some tea.
Okay, that's better. Okay. Okay. This was it. That's for you. Everybody get the bit. She wants a bit.
Oh, okay.
She wants a bit, but they're gonna get over her.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Oh.
You want some tea, Maddie? You scared him. I'll make some tea.
Wait, tea. Okay. 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 You want a bit? You want a bit? Okay. Okay, baby. You want to talk? Okay. No, no, no.
Are you going to give him the tea?
Oh, don't cry. You want the baby? Oh, she wants a baby.